Let's approach runway 06 right.
Heading 030 to set clear ILS 06 right, KLM 671.
KLM 671, maintain a speed of 160 knots or faster to NASC.
160 to NASC or higher, KLM 671.
You'll be landing 6 right, descend to 4,000.
Descend 4,000, 6 right, French 30.
Pushes de 56, réduit la vitesse maintenant 2002 200.
200 sur la vitesse, faut que j'arrête.
Side 98, fly heading 100 100, one more turn to final.
Heading 100 degrees.
Canada 677, speed of 160 knots, keep it till NASC.
Okay, 677, 160 knots to NASC.
United 677, contact Montreal Tower now on 119.9, take care.
Through 1,483.50.
Jazz 7973, Montreal departure, good evening, out of 5, climb 5,000.
Climb 5,000, Jazz 7973.
Roger. Order 480, contact Montreal Center 12877, good night.
2877, Porter 480.
Turn 10 miles final, but if you want longer or tighter, let me know.
Yeah, okay, we'll let you know.
Excellent.
1672.
Affirmative 35-7, good day.
Striker.